Hi, this is Christine G, and I am going to be going over this two-sample t-test, and here is the problem. It's about two baseball leagues that one has designated hitters so they can bat for the pitcher, and then the other one does not. And the testing is that does the designated hitter result in more runs scored at the alpha level of 0.05. So, and then they give us this data summary and this table with some data. And it asks us to determine the null and alternative for the test. So the important thing, we know the null is that the two would be equal. So does the designated hitter result in more runs? Well, League A is the designated hitter league, and so it would be that that one had more hits than League B. So let's go ahead and try that. Okay, looks good. Now they're jumping right in and asking us for the p-values. So here we've got some information, but there's also the sample information here. And they did not give us the sample size in this problem, so we have to figure it out from counting here. So 2, 4, 6 times 2, 4, 5. So 30 in each sample. So now we can go straight to StatCrunch and click on, stat, and then tstats, two sample with summary information. And let me see. Oh, I'm trying to make it smaller so I can see the data, and it keeps getting too big. So let me see. 3.6 is the sample mean, and 3.5 for the sample standard deviation, and we counted 30 for the sample size, and then this is 2.6. Oh, 2.6 is the sample standard deviation, so 4.3, 2.6, and 30. And then the type of hypothesis test, well, it's a right tail test with the population mean of A being greater than that of B. So then you want to note that the difference between the two would be greater than 0. And then we go ahead and compute this, and our p-value is right here, and it looks like 3 decimal places we need it, so 0.019. Let's check that, looks good. Now it's asking us to state the appropriate conclusion, and we know that the alpha level is 0.05, so let me go ahead and try and draw this out. So pens. Okay, so here's our distribution curve, and then we know right away that the alpha level is 0.05, so it's here. And then let me see, I can't remember exactly the p-value, 0.019. So 0.019, let me do it in a different color, would be down in here, 0.019. So this would be where the mean lies within the middle, and here what we have is that this is way out in the tail, past our rejection. It passes our rejection area of 0.05, so we would reject the null. So let's go ahead and see. So reject the null, there is not sufficient evidence, no. Reject the null, there is sufficient evidence at the level of significance to conclude that games played with a designated hitter will result in more runs. Perfect. That is it. I hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have more questions. Thanks.